Another one of my videos. Today we're headed down to downtown Chicago to see the new Amazon automated store where you literally have no cash registers there. You just simply go there with an Amazon account and pay for your items and go. So this is the second Amazon store from the other one in Seattle, so there's only two. So let's go ahead and hop on the train and visit. Just left the tunnel, so now we're going to walk up the stairs here. And this is kind of my marker here. This is the Monroe stop, as you can see. So now we're going to walk up the stairs here. And keep in mind, in order to go inside the store, the Amazon Go store, you will need an Amazon app installed on your phone, which is called the Amazon Go app. Or else if you don't have the Amazon Go app, you will not be allowed in the store. That's kind of my little marker there. So let's go ahead and walk. We're going to visit the Amazon Go store because it's after lunch, so hopefully we'll get in there a lot quicker. So there we go. We're going to make a left-hand turn. And we're going to look for the people with the orange polo shirts. And I believe that's them right there. So this looks like it right here. There we are. This is the Amazon Go store right here. As you can see, this is Amazon. And they serve breakfast, lunch, and snacks, dinner, and meal kits. And here are the people that are shopping and getting a demo on everything in the store. Amazon person, and they state that this is the third store in the whole country, in the whole world actually, and Seattle has the other two stores. So technically, this is the second place, or you know, in the world to actually have one of these Amazon Go store. So let's go ahead inside and start our shopping. And again, you will need your Amazon Go app through the Google Play. So let's go right in. Thank you. Okay, so we're entering inside the the Amazon Go store. And there's a little message on the wall there. And this just opened yesterday. So I bet it was like extremely crowded in here.
He's back.
Yeah, how you doing? So you have to go through these turnstiles here, and you have to scan your Google app in order to get inside this store. And what it will do is once you go inside the store here, you have to have your credit card connected to your app. So what you do is you scan your items, it will it'll get applied to your credit card, and then you just walk out, and that's it. So let's go ahead inside. You first have to install the Amazon Go app, so let's go ahead and we'll go to the Google Play and install the Amazon Go. So let's go ahead and install it. There it is. And now we'll go ahead and open it. And it's really a good idea to install this app before you even go to the store, because it's just going to be a big hassle, you know, standing in line, you know, trying to get your Google or your Amazon Go app to work. And you're better off really just installing this at home. So let's go ahead and hit the next button, and then right there it's telling you that it's a barcode, just like when you travel on an airline, you know, you put the barcode on your phone to scan so you could get on the airplane. It's the same concept, but this one's listed, you know, it's located on your app, so you'll always have that barcode whenever you decide to go into the Amazon Go store. So here's the prompts. So sorry about the interruptions there. And it just kind of goes through everything that it, you know, like what it carries and what have you, and how it works and all that good stuff. And you just keep going through the prompts here. You'll see the little dots on the bottom there. And I believe this should work, same thing for Apple phones as well. And then soon after, you'll receive a receipt after you check out of the store. And then here's where you sign in. So we're inside the store here. And here's all the items that you could choose from. And, you know, it's mostly just light snacks and lunches and what have you. So let's go ahead and just take a look here. And here are the bags. They have some reusable bags. Paper bags are 7 cents, of course. That's what the city of Chicago enacted about a year or two so ago. So now you have to pay for your bags. Or you could buy this really nifty, nice Amazon Go bag here. And it looks pretty cool. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get one of these because the grand opening here. So let's just go ahead and walk around. They have a lot of cool stuff. Oh, and look at this. They have the Farmer's Fridge. And as you know, Farmer's Fridge is in a lot of corporations. They have a lot of vending machines. So you could just purchase these, you know, where like certain companies will have these downstairs or next to their cafeteria. So they got a really nice selection here. They got everything's got Amazon logos on them, as you can see here. They got all this ready to go stuff here. This is truly amazing. This is the, you know, this is the future now. You know, pretty soon there's not going to be too many workers, you know, ringing you up. You're just going to literally just have an app to go into your stores. I mean, this is the first store, I believe, of its kind. And this gentleman here is talking about the most expensive item here, which is this giant meal here. So this is really cool. And you just get your stuff and you know, you just go. So let's go ahead and find something to buy here and check out. So I think I found something. I'm going to try out their mint chocolate cookies here, as you can see. And check this out. I just noticed this right here. They have Amazon Just Walk Out mugs, or Amazon Go mugs. Check that out. How cool is that? And then over here, you have your Amazon water jugs. So they got a lot of cool stuff here. This is totally cool. It looks like you just pick your things up, you put it in the bag, and you just go. That's basically it. So let's get a refreshment here. So I'm gonna put this in the bag here. So You can see here, some of the items are relatively inexpensive. Like the Vita Waters are like $1, and the teas are like $3. So there's a lot here to choose from. So, and it looks like they have the soda for, oh, I don't know, 69 cents. That's relatively cheap. So I'm going to go ahead and pick up one of those as well. Another interesting thought. You would think that you would have robots actually ringing you up. Well, this actually bypasses the robots. I mean, literally, you pick your things up and you just go, and it already somehow it scans through all these sensors up here. As you can see, these little black boxes up here. Everything is being checked in your bag and scanned right onto your credit card. So a lot of people, I bet, they don't even notice these boxes up here. These are your actual robots right up here in the ceiling. And they scan everything, and you just walk right out, and it detects all the food that you have in your bag here.
Do you want some banana chips?
So
They're good, aren't they?
it's really cool. Here are the sensors right here. When you walk out, it detects everything you picked up off the shelves from the store. These little black sensor boxes right up here. And there's all the stuff. Okay, so I have everything that I needed. I even bought a mug, as you can see here. Amazon Go. Bought a bag, 2 sodas, sparkling water, Vita Water, and Milano cookies. All in my little good fast Amazon Go bag. So now all we do now is we walk out. Just gonna walk out without even having anyone ring me up. So this is kind of weird. So here we go. Wow. How weird is that? So, and that's it. So, thank you, ladies. Thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you. Okay, so I got everything I needed from the store, and I'm just walking out of here. Look at that. No one's even running after me or anything. How funny is that? So, and here's your receipt. So if you go there, it states that I was at the store at around 1:55 p.m. on Tuesday, and I purchased 6 items, and that is exactly correct. I purchased this drink. It's got the Amazon smiley face. I purchased the cookies, as you could see there, and then I got this nifty mug that I just had to have because, you know, it's just one of those things. It's kind of historical in a sense because this is the first store, you know, of its kind. You know, I mean, you don't have like Mariano's or whatever grocery store that you might go to, major grocery store. You know, this is totally, you know, you don't use cash at the store or anything. You just walk in, you log into your account, and you just go shopping, and then you walk right out, and that's it. And then the black boxes on the ceiling, it picks up everything that you have purchased. But as you can see, I spent $13.16 today, and then it shows your tax and everything, and this is exactly everything that I purchased. I purchased the mug, the bubbly, which has the Amazon face on there, that's kind of cool. Cookies. I already had this soft drink already, so that's why you no longer see it. And then I got this cool nifty Amazon bag too. So there you have it. Okay, so I just left the store. Again, it was kind of a weird feeling. Nobody stopped me or told me, hey, come back. So I got all my items ready to go. And again, thank you so much for watching my videos. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I will definitely have more Chicago and world travel adventures on my videos soon. So again, thank you very much. And have a good day. Bye-bye.